a crab, when you go and buy in the market, you must choose the active one. Look at this, the active. These are female crab, super active, and these are male crab. My way of killing a crab in an inhuman way is to put them to sleep and put it in the freezer. Yep, after we killing our crab by freezing it in the freezer, and we wash it and clean it and we steam it, and we extract the meat, this is what we get. It is our homemade stuffed crab with pork. Yes, let's dig it in. Look at that. Mmm. Wow.